Hello, this is Josh at Dream Body Clinic, and today we're going to be talking about, can stem cell therapy transform your health? We're going to go over some real patient stories revealed. So every week we're doing our best to upload new videos of returning patients that have done stem cell therapy here at Dream Body Clinic. We've got those in the YouTube channel or on Rumble, a few other places. Those are the main ones though. And the series we created was called DBC Diaries. So if you watch any of those episodes or search DBC Diaries, you're going to see what it's like to be a patient here. You're going to see when we pick you up at the airport, we provide all the transportation to and from your hotel, to and from the clinic, back to the airport. All of that's included with our treatments. And you'll see the kind of success people have had, ranging from autoimmune diseases to joints getting repaired to chronic degenerative issues like heart and kidney type issues, lung issues, liver, hepatitis type issues, cirrhosis, a large list of different things. We even have gum treatments for receding gums, a lot of brain treatments for stroke recovery, traumatic brain injury, just brain optimization with our intrathecal treatments. A lot of things we treat here at Dream Body Clinic with mesenchymal stem cells. So you can look at that. We'll post here some of the different testimonials, and we're actually going to take all those videos and we're going to re-upload them with just the testimonial section. I found a lot of people get a bit confused from the titles, so we're going to do new titles, more specific with the different treatments. But you can also go to our website at www.dreambody.clinic. If you scroll down on the homepage, you're going to see all the treatments listed. You can click on those. You go there, it's got all the information, it's got the prices, links to studies, and testimonials. So if you've got like a bad shoulder, you can go to the shoulder treatment and you can see what that treatment is. Plus you can see real life testimonials of people that have had success with that treatment. So we've been doing stem cell therapies for over 8 years now, helped countless people, and we continue to help people. So this hopefully will make it a bit easier to find that content and get you there. We had our YouTube channel taken down last year. The thing is with medicines, they don't like it when we promote those, and we do have this fly-in-by program where we've got things like human growth hormone, modafinil, testosterone replacement therapy, and I try to keep those separate because for whatever reason, YouTube doesn't like us promoting, even though it's a legal program for these different medicines. So I have to keep that separate. We have a separate YouTube channel for that under DBC Pharmaceuticals. You can look that up, or Dream Body Clinic Pharmaceuticals. So that's all there too. And yeah, take a look, hear from real people what it's like to get treatment here, to heal, to feel great. I'm Josh, Dream Body Clinic. You can call us anytime, toll free at 888-704-3977. We do free consultations. You usually get me, I'll answer your questions, and we'll go from there. I'm Josh, happy to help.